We will further proceed to solve the practice set 1.1.1. First example. Question number 1. First example. Write the following sets in a roster form. Set of even numbers. Set of even number. By roster method or same is called the list method. How it will be written? What is the answer? Set of even numbers. I will give the name, any name. Suppose I will give a name M. Set of even numbers, which are that 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. This is the answer. Then second, set of even prime number. Set of even prime number between 1 to 50. 1 to 50. We know that the property 2 is only one number, which is a prime number as well as the even number. Other 2 is a prime number, 3 is also prime number. Means prime numbers means we cannot factorize it. Then 4 is not, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a 11, like that. In this, these all are odd numbers, but only 2 is a even number. In a prime number, only 2 is a even prime number. So the answer is in curly bracket, n is equal to in curly bracket 2. Then third example. Set of negative integer. Set of negative integer. Set of negative, any name as you like. Suppose I will give the P name. Capital P as per definition of a set. Then negative integer, which are the negative in a curly bracket? Which are the negative elements? From infinite to -3, -2 and -1. We are not taking 0 or a positive because here mentioned that the negative integers. Then fourth example. 7 basic sounds of a Saregama. 7 basic sound of Sargama. Which are them? Answer. We start from Sa, but we are giving the capital name to the set. Suppose it is a D. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha, Ni, and again Sa. But Sa is again, we are not writing Sa, it is repeating. So we write only once and curly bracket complete. Then question number 2. First, write the following symbolic statement in a words. Write the following symbolic statements in a words. First, 4/3 belongs to Q. These are the elements in a set. Each element, suppose -2 is in a set of a P. So -2 is belongs to, we can write like this, -2 is belongs to P. Only we are writing this in a word. Answer is 4/3 is element in set Q. 4/3 is an element in a set Q. Then second, -2, this sign is belongs, but if we cross it, then it is not belongs to N. Here we also write here belongs. elements or belongs. Here -2 is it is a element not belongs, so it is a not element of n, or for this we are writing not belongs to, not belongs. Both answers are same. The meaning of the both answers are same. Then third one, P in curly bracket, P is an odd number. Missing general form, we are writing this like here we write as like this. P is a set. P is a set of all p's, small p's, and P is an which number? Odd number. This is the answer. P is a set of all p's, and what is the property of that? P is an odd number. By a listing method and by a rule method. Like a week, days of a week, by listing also we are writing, and by rule method also. Then collection of the birds, that is also we are writing by listing method and as well as rule method. Then fourth one, write the following sets using the listing method. Fourth question, write the following sets by a listing method. In this we are writing the given sets by a listing method. First question, all months in Indian solar year. In solar year, which are they? January, February are international months, but in a solar month, which are them? I will give the some name. T is equal to, say T is equal to, which are them? Chaitra, Vaishakh, Bhadrapad, then Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Jyeshtha is also Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin. There, here I am writing here, but the means serialness is not required. You are remembering and write. That is also correct. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyeshtha, Ashad, Shravan, Bhadrapad, Ashwin, Kartik, Paush, Magh, Margashis, month of a solar year. When I does not written it a serial. There we know that the 12 are there. In any order we are writing it, that answer is the correct. Then second, start. Second, letters in the word complement. COMPLEMENT. We are writing this set as a listing method. means each element we have written here. Suppose it is a yes. We give the name capital letter C for the set in a curly bracket. C is an element, then O is also element, then M is also element. Here we are giving these are capital letter. What is the as per a rule of a set, we are writing the elements in a small letter. So even though it is a capital letter, but we are writing this in a small letter. C O M P L. Again E is repeating. No, E is not repeating. We are writing E elsewhere. Then M is repeating, so we are not writing it. Then E is repeating. Then N and T. This is the answer of this example. Then third one, set of human sensory organs. Which are them? Give any name to the capital letter to the set. Suppose I will take N is equal in curly bracket human eyes. Which are them? Our ears, eyes, nose, these are organs which remain, and this is the answer of the third one. Then fourth, set of prime numbers between 1 to 20. Set of prime numbers between 1 to 20. Answer is prime number from 1 to, give any capital letter. Suppose it is a T. Prime numbers between 1 to 20 means starting from 1 is not a prime number, so starting from 2, then 3, then 4 is not a prime number, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. They got a factor, so that is not a prime number. Then 11, 13, 15, 14, 15 is not a, 16 also not prime numbers, 17, 18, and lastly the 19. Okay, then question number 5. Write the following sets by using a rule method. First, 1 A, set A contains 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81 and 100. By rule method means we write this listing by list. This is the set is in a listing method. We are writing it by a rule method means in general form. Means A, set A in a curly bracket. These are all, suppose we consider as a X. Then what is that we observe here? 1 is a square of 1, 4 is a square of 2, 3, 9 is a square of 3, 16 is the square of 4. Means X is equal to what? N square. We take that number, this number, any number. This number of their square. X is equal to N square. And what is the N? N is greater than 0. N is greater. 1 means greater than 0 and less than or equal to 10. Like this we are writing this by a rule method, or in words we are writing x is equal to n square and n is belongs from 1 to 10. Both are the same answer, but you will write by this method. Then second one, B. 6, 12, 18. What you observe here, these are the 6, 12, 18 means 6 2s are 12 means it will come in a table of 6. We start this table of 6. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are means it is a multiple of 6 means we are writing B is equal to, suppose here we are taking Y, then Y is equal to what? Multiple of 6 means 6 into n means 6 into 1, 6 into 2, this is 6 into 3 is 18, 6 into 4 14, where n is greater than 0 and less than we are not going up to 10 but it is up to 8, it is up to 8 means less than or equal to the 8. The third one, C is equal to, in curly bracket, S, M, I, L and E. This is also written as in a rule method. C is equal to, in curly bracket, suppose I will take it as a Z, and Z is the alphabets in word. What is that word? Smile. Alphabets or letters. Thank you. Other two examples we solve as a homework.